In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Squarespace email campaigns. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. If you haven't already, open your web browser and head to the Squarespace website. Once there, enter your credentials to access your account. This is your hub for creating and managing email campaigns, so getting comfortable with navigating it is crucial. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main menu. Here you'll want to locate the option labeled Email Campaigns and give that a click. This will take you to the heart of your email marketing setup, giving you all the tools you'll need to create successful campaigns. When you land on the Email Campaigns page, you'll be greeted with a dashboard featuring a setup checklist. This checklist is your roadmap, guiding you through the essential steps to get started. It's an intuitive resource that ensures you don't miss a beat. One of the first tasks on this checklist is creating a mailing list. Click on the Create a Mailing List option, which will prompt you to name your list. This is also where you can populate the list with your contacts. You have a couple of options: upload a CSV file with your contact data, or manually add individual contacts depending on what works best for you. Next, you'll need to fill in your sender details. This includes the name and email address that will appear in the from line of your emails. It's important the recipients recognize these details, as it encourages higher open rates. Now, you're also required to add a legal address. This step is essential to comply with email marketing regulations, so make sure you input this information accurately. While setting up your mailing list and sender details, it's good to know that although you can create lists and drafts without a plan, to send more than your initial 3 campaigns, you will need to sign up for a plan. This is key for expanding your email marketing capabilities. With those essentials in place, click Create on your email campaigns dashboard to launch your first campaign. You'll choose a campaign type that suits your needs. Whether you're looking for a promotional or an informative campaign, Squarespace offers various options. From there, select a template or start with a blank one, setting the foundation for your email's design. Once you're in the editor, let your creativity flow by customizing the email to reflect your brand. Change text, add images, or even reorder sections. This is your opportunity to communicate directly with your audience in a visually appealing way. Don't forget to craft a compelling subject line and preview text. These elements appear in recipients' inboxes and are critical in ensuring your emails are opened. Now decide who will receive your email. Select your recipients from the mailing lists or segments you've already created. This targeted approach helps improve engagement rates. Finally, when everything looks perfect, you can either send your campaign right away or schedule it for a future date, ensuring your message reaches your audience at the optimal time. And there you have it. You've now set up your Squarespace email campaign, ready to engage your audience effectively. Thanks for joining me, and happy emailing.